Hi, bonjour! I'm Stephanie from LearnFrenchWithStephanie.com. The imperative in French? Let's talk about it. Sometimes in French you need to be able to tell someone what to do, and you have to use the imperative. In this video, we're going to look at how to build the imperative form and how to use it through examples. Just like in English, we use the imperative to give instructions, orders, and advice. It's based on the conjugation of the present tense. However, we only use tu, nous, and vous for the imperative. Let's see some examples. Let's start by conjugated an ER verb in present tense with the three pronouns given to see how ER verbs work. The verb marcher. Tu marches, nous marchons, vous marchez. But these three pronouns in the imperative do not appear. So we have to remove the pronouns and we get the imperative. But for ER verbs with tu, the S disappears at the end of the verb. The pronunciation is the same, only the spelling changes, okay? Marche, marchons, marcher. We use marche when you're talking to one person. Marchons when you're talking to a group of people you're part of. And marcher when you're talking to a group of people or an unknown person. With IR verbs and RE verbs, it's the same thing that the present, except you have to remove the pronouns as we did with the verb marcher. So with finir, we get fini, we keep the S, finissons, finissez. And with attendre, attend, we also keep the S, attendons, attendez. Unfortunately, there are four irregular verbs: être, avoir, savoir, and vouloir. With être, we get sois, soyons, soyez. With avoir, we get est, ayons, ayez. With savoir, we get sache, sachons, sachez. And with vouloir, we get veuille, veuillons, veuillez. But actually, for vouloir, we only use veuillez. With the verb vouloir, veuillez patienter. Imagine you're in a French hotel and there's a cleaning lady in your room. So she might say, veuillez patienter quelques minutes. J'ai presque fini. With the verb être, sois prudent, soyons prudents, soyez prudent. You can say sois prudent to someone if they're going to do something dangerous. Imagine a friend wants to climb a mountain and you think it's a dangerous situation. So before his departure, you could say, using the imperative, sois prudent. If you're talking to several people or an unknown person, you could say, soyez prudent. Just for an unknown person, you don't put an S at the end of prudent, because it's only one person, so it's singular. And if you're part of a group, you could say, soyons prudents. With the verb profiter, profite bien, profitons bien, profitez bien. Sometimes in French we use the imperative when someone's going to go do something and we want them to have a good time when they're doing it. My kids are getting older and often go out with their friends, and I could tell them, profitez bien. If you talk to one person, you could say, profite bien. With the verb prendre, prends, prenons, prenez. Sometimes we use imperative when we offer something to someone. Sometimes when my daughter comes home from school, she's hungry and thirsty, and I could tell her, prends un biscuit, prends un jus de fruits. With the verb avoir, n'aie pas peur, n'ayons pas peur, n'ayez pas peur. Imagine you're watching fireworks with a small child. The fireworks are very loud and the child is disturbed and you have to reassure him. So you could say to the child, n'aie pas peur, je suis là avec toi. With savoir, sache dire non, sachons dire non, sachez dire non. Sometimes, to avoid conflicts with those around you, you prefer to accept situations that bother you. And I could tell you, sache dire non, or sachez dire non. And we might say, sachons dire non. With the verb venir, viens voir, venez voir. We don't say venons voir. In this case, we use the verb aller and we say allons voir. Sometimes when you're looking at something interesting and you want someone else to look at it, you might use the phrase viens voir. With the verb être, sois à l'heure, soyons à l'heure, soyez à l'heure. So imagine you and your friends are going on a trip to France, and usually your friends are always late. The plane won't wait, so you could tell your friends soyez à l'heure or soyez à l'heure demain matin. With the verb être, sois sage, soyons sages, soyez sage. Imagine you're driving and you have children in the back and they're being loud. You could use the imperative phrase soyez sage or chut, soyez sage, to tell them that you would like them to quiet down. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you again for a new free lesson. Au revoir, à bientôt. The next step is to download my free level test and my free ebook, 5 Steps to Becoming a Confident French Speaker. You learn what you need to do to speak confidently and fluently. Thanks so much. Bye. Au revoir.